Breakfast vocabulary. Bread.
Bread.
I eat bread for breakfast. Toast.
Toast.
She makes toast every morning. Peter.
Butter.
He spreads butter on the bread. Jam.
Germ.
I like strawberry jam. Egg.
Egg.
She is cooking an egg. Omelette.
Omelette.
My mother makes a cheese omelette. Milk.
Milk.
The child drinks milk every day. Tea.
Tea.
My father drinks tea in the morning. Coffee.
Coffee.
She enjoys a cup of coffee. Juice.
Juice.
I drink orange juice for breakfast. Cereal.
Cereal.
The boy eats cereal with milk. Oats.
Oats.
Oats are healthy for breakfast. Pancake.
Pancake.
She likes pancakes with honey. Waffle.
Waffle.
The waffle is crispy and sweet. Sandwich.
Sandwich.
He eats a sandwich before school. Muffin.
Muffin.
I bought a chocolate muffin. Croissant.
Croissant.
She enjoys a buttery croissant. Bagel.
Bagel.
He eats a bagel with cream cheese. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt is good for your health. Paratha.
Paratha.
My mother makes paratha every morning. Poha.
Poha.
I eat poha for breakfast. Fafda.
Fafda. Fafda is a popular Gujarati breakfast.
Dosa.
Dosa.
I like a crispy dosa with chutney. Idli.
Idli.
Idli is a healthy breakfast food. Khakra.
Khachran.
I enjoy eating khakra with tea for breakfast. Cheese.
Cheese.
I add cheese to my sandwich. Sausage.
Sausage. The sausage is hot and tasty.
Bacon.
Bacon.
He likes bacon with eggs. Banana.
Banana.
She eats a banana every morning. Apple.
Apple.
An apple is a healthy snack. Orange.
Orange.
The orange is juicy and sweet. Honey.
Honey.
I add honey to my tea. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
She spreads peanut butter on toast. Smoothie.
Smoothie.
I drink a fruit smoothie. Breakfast bowl.
Breakfast bowl.
The breakfast bowl contains fruits and oats. Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
We enjoy fruit salad for breakfast.
Hooray!